Imagine spending most of your life on a luxury cruise ship. Well, Crescent Seas is turning that vision into a reality. Joining me now to share more is Crescent Seas founder Russell Galbut. Russell, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Ashley. Welcome. It's a pleasure being here.
Pleasure to have you. So tell us, what is Crescent Seas?
So Crescent Seas is the opportunity to own a residence, a second residence or a primary residence on the ocean, where you would basically be visiting all of the great cities of the world that exist today on the water.
All right, and why do you think people are drawn to the idea of living at sea right now?
Well, a few reasons. Number one is we've been building condominiums on land for over 50 years, and we've been doing it very well in gateway cities to America and other locations. The Earth's surfaces is only 29%, and the water surfaces of the Earth are 71%. So, and there's only one other ship out there that has residence at sea. So we believe that the opportunity of having a secondary home, not just in Manhattan or in South Florida, but in every major city that's on the water at a given time during the year, is something that has sustainability and something that is logical, because more and more people are becoming citizens of the world. It's no longer just one location, and people do want to discover the world.
All right, and can you take me through how this actually works? How much is it to buy in, to buy a unit, and what does that process actually look like? Like, where is the ship traveling? What is the ship like? Can you just explain that for us?
Sure. So the ship will actually travel the world, but it'll spend 3 months in the Baltic, or a few months in the Mediterranean. Obviously, South Florida and the Caribbean are locations, but it will travel the world and all the major cities in the world. The difference is that we are building residences, so we have large homes at sea, very different than what you would have on a cruise ship. And we will be staying overnight in most locations, at least 1, 2, or 3 nights, because that is, you are the owner of the ship, and that's part of the experience that you want to have.
And I understand that locations and destinations are planned out for the next 2 years. And then after that, the owners will meet and decide together where the ship goes next. Can you talk a little bit more about that?
Sure. Obviously, destination-centric, we are at Crescent Seas. It's very important. And by the way, you can get a lot of information by going to crescentseas.com, and we'll certainly show you what the Navigator will look like. It is an existing ship, and we're actually selling now. So we're very excited about that and what the future bears. And it's actually selling very nicely.
All right, and what is the, to get something, what is the minimum buy-in for that, for a unit?
Right. So the units, what we like to say, it's true luxury at obtainable pricing. Pricing starts at $1.25 million for a very nice suite, and it goes all the way up to $11 million today.
Okay, and how does ownership work? Is this luxury real estate? What is that like?
Well, it is luxury. It's one of the best ships out there. It rides beautifully in the ocean, and it will be completely renovated with brand new spa and pool, and all of the units will be brand new, all F&E, FF&E, and all OS&E. So it's true luxury, and on board we will have members of the international world that will be providing the service. Every room would have its own butler, we will be a superior product at an obtainable price.
And what do you think the future of luxury living on sea looks like?
I think it's the beginning of an industry, and we're really excited to be at the beginning of the industry. The barriers to entry are overwhelming, and you sort of have to have experience in this field. I have been a builder of condominiums for over 50 years, and I've also been in the cruise line world, serving for 23 years on Norwegian Cruise Line's board or its predecessor boards, and more recently, the last 6.5 years of which I served as chairman. So I can tell you from an experience point of view, it's really special to have the opportunity to live on the water and to visit all the great cities of the world. And I think it's an opportunity for everybody to enjoy a different type of lifestyle that's very, very nice. And I think part of it is because today we have not only the satellite, but we also have Elon Musk's other systems. And so you can be on board and work just as if you're in your office in Berlin or Japan or Tokyo or anywhere else in the world. So it's a very different place today.
All right. Thank you, Crescent C's founder, Russell Galvin. Thank you for joining.
Thank you so much, Ashley. It's been a pleasure.